11. Reduce the debounce setting of your mouse. In order to prevent double clicking, lots of mice use a debounce setting that's way too high, and this adds a lot of unnecessary latency to your clicks. To change this, open up your mouse utility and search for the debounce setting. If you can't find the setting, your mouse probably has optical switches and you don't need to worry about this. If your mouse does have a debounce setting, try the lowest value possible, which is usually 0 milliseconds. This works fine on most mice. To test it, open up this double-click tester web application, link in the video description. Spam the left and right mouse button one by one, but do not press them simultaneously. If this bar turns red, a double click was detected. Increase the debounce value by 1 millisecond and repeat the test. If your mouse manages around 200 clicks per button with no double clicks detected, you're good to go. 12.